In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your notification center not to show content on the notifications. That's how it looks like. I see that this notification is from Instagram, but I don't see what that notification is exactly about. Let me show you how to do that. It's quite simple and easy. First, open up your settings and here select notifications, and there at show previews option tap here and select, for example, when unlocked. This settings is by default. And let's check how it works. Now at the notification center I got all the content because my phone is unlocked, and when phone is locked I got the situation that was at the beginning of the video. I got notifications, but I don't see the content. But once I unlock them, I can read all the notifications.